One of the most easy yet the most difficult question is introduce yourself in an interview. You know, it requires a lot of introspection to really have a very good answer for introduce yourself. किस तरह से इसको आंसर नहीं करना है पहले वो देखेंगे. सर आप इस जैकेट में आते हो ना ऐसे आंसर देने के लिए. Yes, let's see. Now, a person who's asked to introduce yourself might end up answering, sir, my name is Kshitij. I come from Sagar Institute of Research and Technology. I've done my engineering in electrical and electronics engineering. I have worked with blah 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 company, all right, and I have gained experience in team management. Frankly, they will lose interest. You know, there are a lot of 99 percentilers sitting out there जो इस आंसर के लिए सोचेंगे भाई सुला मत यार, सब यही आंसर दे रहे हैं. That is how it functions. Interviewer will not tell you this, but in their heads they're like, भाई यार क्या ये वही बकवास. That is how it happens. They will not say it because they can't be impolite. But the right way, I won't say the right way, you know, this is the most conventional way that most candidates employ, but there could be something more interesting. देखते हैं भाई को. So probably a better and a more unconventional answer to the question introduce yourself could be a little different. Let's see how. So to be honest, if I end up telling you that my name is Kshitij and I come from Sagar Institute of Research and Technology, you might consider me to be a fool because it has already been mentioned in the CV and you have it right in front of your eyes. So I would like to take this opportunity to tell you something, you know, interesting about me. I am somebody who loves to interact with people because I strum the guitar and I sing. I've done a lot of gigs in my life. So that has led me to be able to speak with people from various walks of life, be it a small kid to, you know, to an adolescent, to a teenager, to an adult, or rather to an old person. So I know how to speak to people. At the same time, you know, we have to talk about payments to the owners of places. So, you know, it has in some ways taught me negotiation. So I think these skills in some ways made me feel that probably, you know, this guy is tailor-made for an MBA. So as far as engineering and everything is concerned, I'm sure you would have a glimpse at the CV, and if there's anything specific that you would like to know, I would love to elaborate on that. But engineering has, you know, taught me a lot of things apart from academics, which is life lessons. If needed, I can surely go ahead and, you know, deliberate and elaborate on that. That's a little introduction about me. Hello sir. Oh sir, ऐसे करके छोड़ सकते हैं क्या? Yeah, there has to be something different. You don't necessarily need to give that, you know, bland introduction जो सिखाया जाता है. शीशे के सामने हम खड़े होकर बस यही बोलते रहते हैं. My name is this from this institution. No. Make it as creative as you can because the interviewer through these questions is scanning you that ये बंदा क्या एक ही चीज को अलग तरीके से बता सकता है. क्यों? कि कंपनी में जाके तुम जो ऑलरेडी सेट है प्रोसेसेस, उसी प्रोसेस को अगर एम्यूलेट करते रहोगे, will that be sufficient? No. As thought leaders, you're expected to come up with better creative solutions. This is what, you know, automatically gets fed into their brains कि boss, this guy is different from the norm and surely you stand on a different pedestal. क्या बात समझ में आती है? ये इंटरव्यू निकालेगा तुम्हारा और कुछ नहीं. मेरी बात समझ के चलो, सब्सक्राइब कर लो. 1-on-1 मिलते हैं इंटरव्यूज के लिए. लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन और कमेंट में पिन कर रखा है. See you in the next video.